Alright, I got this 2011 Audi A3 2.0 turbo. He threw a code and I couldn't figure out what was going on with it. So I started looking at it and went to the dealer and asked him a couple questions. So anyway, this is what I did. I took all these off and it's easy. I just took one of these pick tools, just pull here and just pretty much take this off of the coil pack. Took them off. After I took them off the coil pack, I then removed the coil pack out of the way. Set it out of the way up here. And then I began to take this off. This is like a breather. So I put my finger on there and it was sucking. And I realized it's sucking, it shouldn't be sucking air. So I just pretty much pried it off. These are little picks right here. I already pried it off already, but just to give you an idea what it looks like. See little, let me see if I can show it better. Right there, there's some, it's got to pry it off and it looks like this when you pry it off. These little caps sit right on there. And there's a spring that it sits on. It's a diaphragm, as you see. And this is the new one. This is the old one. And then it has the spring that sits in there. So it gives you a little tension on it. So now I'm about to put the new one on. This is the new one. So from the Audi dealership, I didn't want to get an aftermarket one. I just want to get, it didn't cost like $15 for this piece. And it has a spring. You get the spring. So this is the new spring. And this is the old spring. Right? Set the spring right in there. It has a nice tension on it too. Now there's a little part here, there's a little breather. I'll put this back on here. And this is right in here. This breather right here faces this way. You just got to push down nice and firm and line up. Alright, so I just put it on, make sure it's nice and snug. The lighting is not that great, but now it's on there. So I'm gonna start putting these coil packs back in. Now, line them back up. Line them up. Now, go a little bit at a time. Going. You hear a little snap. Alright, it's all snapped in. Alright, this is a little pick tool I use. A couple of them. There's another one here. I picked these up Home Depot. Alright,